You guys, I have fixed the lighting situation, so no more unlit videos. But today's video will be a purpley brown eye. Sometimes my mom lets me put makeup on her. And when I did it, I was playing with this Wander Beauty palette, and it's got this beautiful purple in it, and I was like, inspiration struck. So I'm gonna do the look on her, which kind of looked shitty, but make it better and recreate it on my face. So let's get started. So the first thing, you know what? Let's change it up. Why don't I just fast forward through the face and the base and all that jazz, because I basically use the same products. I don't really change the base part that much because what works is what works. So why don't we just fast forward in 3, 2, 1, ding! Now that the face and the base is all done, I'm going to start off with the eyes, and of course I'm going to use the Rose Gold Sunset e.l.f. palette. I've been using it a lot lately. I don't know, I've been just really loving the browns in it. So, gross. I'm going to take a fluffy brush and just kind of go into that sandy brown color and work my way into the crease. So one thing I do want to do is work my way into the crease, but also bring it into where the tear duct is, but not at the bottom. So just focusing on the actual lid itself. So now that's done, I want to take a kind of just a fluffy brush, just a normal fluffy eyeshadow brush, and go back into that same brown color and really drag it down into the lid space right here basically, and right here, so near the inner duct and right on the outside of the eye. Now that's done, I'm going to go into the Wander palette and going into the beautiful Orchid shade, which is that purple shade, and taking it with my ring finger and just patting it on into the middle of the eyelid. And I'm just going to take the same fluffy brush that has the brown shadow on it and not dip it into the shadow, but whatever the excess is, making sure that it's blended. And then what I'm gonna do is go into this same Orchid palette, and there's a color called Cedar, which is just a dark, kind of almost like a coppery brown, and just bring that on the lower part of my lash line. The same brush, I'm just gonna go into the bouquet color, which is just this beautiful gold, and put that on my corner. So what I'm taking with bouquet is actually just going and mixing it and blending it with that purple, so you get this purple and gold ombre that looks really beautiful. And I just want to go back with Cedar and really darken up that lower lash line. And I'm about to curl my lashes and of course use the Climax NARS mascara. And to top it all off, I'm going to use a new product, which is the Makeup Forever Artist Nude Cream Lip. It's like a lip gloss. No, it's like a lipstick, but in a cream, but in like a doe foot applicator type of thing. And it's in the color number 8 Touch. I just turned off my actual bedroom light to see if you can see it better. Oh, you can, a little bit. So now this is the final look. You have a beautiful purpley brown wearable look that you could basically wear to work or anywhere. So make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Comment down whether you're happy that the lighting situation got fixed. I will be working on this because it's a little new to me, so we'll see how that goes. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!